Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be giving you guys an updated tour of my stockpile space that's in our office area. So I have a stockpile space that's in my stock closet, and I recently did a video on that showing you guys and giving you guys an updated tour on that. So if you have not watched that video, you can tap this eye up top, and then I will also link it in the description box for you. So this is going to be a tour of my space that's in my office. Now, it doesn't look like much, and that is because, you guys, I have been selling so much stuff. But before I get into everything, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell, so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into it, you guys. So before I tell you guys about this, I want to show you guys my space that's over here. So in this space over here, this is my little small space where I post, where I set up my bundles. So right now I currently have 3 bundles posted, which are these 3 right here. I currently have those 3 posted on Facebook Marketplace along with some other items. And then all of this right here that you see, the mouthwash, the body wash, the deodorant, the floss picks, the game bundle, and the razors. So all of this right here, guys, I am selling. So all of that is currently pending. The lady, she hasn't given me an update on when she would like to go ahead and purchase all of this, but that is currently pending. So that is why I have all of this right here. Finger crossed that she comes through, because I would really like to get rid of all of this. So I'm really hoping that she comes through for that. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to start over here. So over here I have a few of these Airwick scented oil warmers. I have a few of these. I know that I got this individual one right here for free. I got some Airwick. Well, I got this right here for like 97 cents. This is the Airwick scented oil warmer. I got this for 97 cents from Walmart. And then the 2-pack of Airwick warmers, I got those for like $1.37 using the IBOTTA app. Right here, I recently just got this Airwick Essential Mist. I recently just got this, and this was completely free plus a small moneymaker using IBOTTA Fetch Rewards, because IBOTTA had a rebate that was glitching for this. It was for $5 and $3, so a total of $8 back. And this right here in my store is priced at like $9.97. So to get $8 off, that's already a good price. And then I think I had like $2.50 back on Fetch Rewards, which made this completely free plus a little moneymaker. And then right here, I do have 2 Glade candles. My brother orders these often for me. So I have 2 left for him for whenever he wants another bundle. And then I have the Febreeze plugins right here. 1 pack of those. And then here are the Febreeze Warmers. I have 3 of those. And I got these 3 for free using the digital coupon on the Walgreens app. And then I also have some Glade plugins right here. And then on this shelf right here, this is where I have all of my scent boosters, and this is literally all of the scent boosters that I have. I had way more than this, but like I said, you guys, my bundles have been doing so well, and I'm just super excited. So this is literally all of the scent boosters that I have. I need to stock up on some more. I just haven't found the right deal yet. So back here, I have some Arm & Hammer and Wash scent boosters. I have 2 Downy Unstoppables plus the little smaller bottle of the Downy Unstoppables. I have 4 things of the Purex crystals, another Purex crystal right here. And so that's everything that I have on this shelf. And then when you go down here, here is some fabric softener. So I have Snuggle, 1 thing of Gain, and then I have Downy. Now I was stocked up on Gain because this was on clearance at my Walmart for I want to say it was like $2.50 or something like that, but it was on clearance, and at that time I grabbed like 7 bottles. But customers have been coming and purchasing Gain bundles from me, so this is literally the only Gain fabric softener that I have. I am actually out of Gain laundry detergent, Gain fabric softeners, Gain, well, besides this one, Gain dryer sheets. I'm out of all of that, you guys. So this is my shelf for my fabric softener. And down here, I have some Downy fabric softeners. So down here, I have about, 10 Downy fabric softeners. So with this shelf and this shelf right here, that's all of the fabric softener that I have in my stock. So I really need to re-up on that. And then right here, this is the shelf that I keep my toothpaste. Now at first I had my toothpaste in my stock closet, but I went ahead and I put it in here. And the reason why I put it in here, because I feel like it's much easier for me to grab. So while I'm in here making up my bundles, whenever a bundle sells for me, I can just grab 2 things of toothpaste and put that into the bundle for free. And as some of you may know, I do give away my toothpaste for completely free. I never charge for my toothpaste. And then down here, this is some soap that I have. Now I do have some more soap in my storage. I think I actually have quite a few things of soap. So right here I have 2 things of Olay, 2 things of Dove, 2 more things of Olay, and Irish Spring. My husband is a fan of Irish Spring, so that one is actually for him. And then I have this Shea Butter Coconut and Hibiscus Shea Butter soap, 2 of those. And then I have the Shea Butter Black African soap. I have 2 of those. And then right here is the Neutrogena acne bars, and I got all 7 of these bars completely free using the IBOTTA app, plus it was a little money maker, so this was a really good deal. And then down here, this is where I have all of my hair care products. I want to say that this is the majority of, I think this is all of my hair care products, or I may have about, I may have a few more in the storage, but I know for sure that I just sold a bundle, like $60 worth of hair care products, and she bought like a ton. So I got rid of some of those, which is good, because all of this hair care product that is on this shelf, I do not use this in my hair. So whenever I purchase hair care products, I most definitely list them, simply because I don't use them in my hair. I either list them or I give them away. I donate them. And looks like I need to wipe this off. I don't know how I didn't even notice this, so I have to wipe this off. And then down here is where I have my wipes, and then I also have some dryer sheets. So I have these Swagbuck wipes, Swagbuck dryer sheets right here. This is the 36 count, and I have about, I want to say I have about 8 of these. I actually got those on clearance at Walmart. They are regularly priced at Walmart for about $1.73, but Walmart had them on clearance for $1. And so I just went ahead and I grabbed every last one of them on the shelf, because this is all of the dryer sheets that I have. I don't have any more. And then I have this one thing of Snuggle dryer sheets back there. So I really need to stock up on some more of those as well. And then wipes. These are all of the wipes that I have. So I got these wipes on clearance at Rite Aid, and they were priced at $5.49. I think this is the regular price for these, but I was able to get them for $1.37 per pack. And then I had some bonus cash that was expiring, so I was like, why not go ahead and stock up on wipes, because that is something that we need. So I grabbed a ton of those. As you guys can see, there's some more wipes back there. And then I only have this one package of Huggies wipes left, so I am in need of some wipes. I'm hoping that I can put together a deal at Walgreens, or maybe I will probably use the register rewards that I have to go ahead and stock up on some wipes. And then right here is my deodorant. Now I will say this is the majority of all of the deodorant that I have, plus this deodorant right here that's about to be sold. But this is what I have. So I have some Old Spice back there. I have some Gillette. I have 2 things of Dove, Degree, X. So this is just the shelf that I keep my deodorant. I recently just donated a full container of deodorants, because some of them were near expiring and I didn't want them to expire. So I just donated a full container. So I'm happy with the amount that I have right now. And then right here, as you guys can see, I have been stocking up on this Gillette Shave Foam. Walgreens has been having this for like 48 cents or 24 cents per can. So I have been stocking up on this. So I am going to be adding these to some of my bundles. And then I have 2 things of Edge Shave Gel. And then I have 6 of these Banana Boat Moisturizing After Sun Lotion. So that's everything that I have on this shelf right here. And then down here, this is my body wash shelf. So I have some Dove back there, some Olay, soft soap, Dial, 1 thing of Dial. Irish Spring, I have Degree Dove, and then I have 2 of these Dove Instant Foam and Body Wash. So this is my little shelf that I have my body washes, and so far this is all of the amount of body wash that I have. So if you check over here, all of this Olay, Irish Spring, Soft Soap, Axe, Old Spice, the lady is supposed to be purchasing all of that. So I had more, but she's supposed to be purchasing all of that. So this is what I'm left with currently. And then down here, this is my Febreeze shelf. Now this shelf makes me so sad because I used to be extremely stocked up on Febreeze, and this is all that I have left, you guys. I mean, I'm happy and grateful that people are purchasing my bundles, but I love being stocked up on Febreeze. So I am patiently waiting on Walgreens to come around with the deal again to where I can get them for $1.50 per bottle. So I'm patiently waiting for that, and I'm mainly looking for the Febreeze sprays. Like, I love to get stocked up on these. So this is all that I have down here, you guys. So that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. I just wanted to come in here. I just wanted to come on here and give you guys an update, because I haven't done an update with my stockpile in the office area in a while. So I just wanted to come on here and give you guys an update with this. So yeah, I really need to stock up on some more items. So I am going to see what I can do. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please, please, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know where you store your stockpile. Like, do you have a house? Do you have an apartment? Where do you store your stuff? So let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, you guys, and I will see you all in my next video.